Hey everybody, well we're in the middle of a March snowstorm here. Oops, there goes the mail. No mail for us, I guess. But yeah, it's been snowing quite a bit out. And I need to get out here and do a little bit of snow blowing, so I figured I'd bring you with me and we'll see the snowblower in action, since I haven't done a snowblower video this year. But first I want to kind of see how much snow has fallen, so I've got my tape measure here. See if I can find a spot out in the open where I can check if I can, with one hand, lock my tape measure open. Let's see where we're at. Let's see, we're at about 6 inches, I guess. At least out here in the middle of the driveway, which isn't too bad. Try another spot. That one there says it's closer to 8. I don't know if you can see that. So 6 to 8 inches somewhere in there at the moment. Need to get into the garage to get the snowblower out. Woof! Woof! Puppy dog's next door saying hi. Alright, let me get you guys set up, because I need both hands to get the snowblower out. And I think what I'll do is I will set the camera in the back of my truck here so that the camera won't get snowed on. I'll be right back. Okay, we've got the two-stage 524 SWE Cub Cadet snowblower here, and it should start right up. Set the choke. Give it a few pumps. Usually starts first pull. There you go. Let me kind of get you pointed at the driveway here a little better. Hopefully you can see something. try to move you so you can see a little better what's going on. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm doing or not. Maybe we can set you over here on the stairs. Yeah, that might work. All right, hopefully I don't blast you with the snow. Saw that tripod tipped and I didn't notice it, but hopefully you got that in there. I got to finish up in here a little bit, but I'm going to do that off camera. So this was a video featuring watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now. Alright, just a quick walk around here before we end the video. Show you what I did. It's still snowing out. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is. It's not snowing too hard, but it's supposed to continue to snow until like around 5 o'clock or so. So this is just kind of a token effort at this point, because at some point the plow is going to come by again and fill the end of the driveway back up. Here's my little spot I was shoveling out to put my trash cans. Got this fence almost buried right over here, and I need to do some work on cleaning out the mailbox, but I'll wait until after the plow comes by again before I shovel that out, because the mail won't deliver the mail if they can't get to the mailbox. They'll leave a nasty note. We just cleaned off both cars. Clean out the middle here, but probably what I'll do next time is I'll back both cars out of the driveway. Then I have unfettered access to cleaning the whole driveway up. But other than that, we're not doing too bad, considering this is the first like really major storm of the season, and it's the first week of March. That's not too bad. All right, I'm gonna go in before my camera gets all wet. And so once again, this was a video featuring my Cub Cadet 524 two-stage snow thrower. All right, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye now.